Ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka pratrik naitung kala ai ka jing Mynjur halor ka jing terwa ban ai sanpho akar ka jaka Sorkar ha Mawkhanu Shak Saint Xavier's University bakan sengyala ka campus ha Syllad. Haba penpena ya kani hadin ka jingalang u menteri rangba ka Jylla u konrad ke sangma ula ong bakani ka rai kelawan long hadin ka jingatai ka balaya de ke snam bat ka balong ru kat kum ka jingkular jong ka Sorkar ban kintiu ha kaliang ka higher education ha ka Jylla. Ula ong bakila yok pediang ya ka jingkarpat na kibor penyait ke university kibalapan shispa akar ka jaka na ka Sorkar Jylla na ka benta ban seng ya ka ni ka campus ha Syllad. Hapadeng ka ni ka jingai lenti kila don shibun ki jingai keren bat ki jing penban. Haka bakhat do ngila yok pediang ya ka shiti na kibor penyait jong ka Saint Xavier kibala penpau bagi dan kam shispa akar ka jaka na ka Sorkar na ka benta ban seng ya ka university ong ukonran. Hadin ka jingatai ka basan nibha ngila rai kum ka kinhun menteri bangin ai shiteng na ka ei ka bala kerpat katasan pau akar bat hakador ka bajam bha ka balong tang shilak tingka na ka benta shi hektar ulaong.
As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the St. Xavier's University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Mawkhanu at a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in our future generation. Because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.